Today, Tracelight is launching a new kind of deliverable. Introducing Spreadsheet Apps. Consulting and finance deliverables haven't changed in decades. Now, you can ask Tracelight to build a spreadsheet app based on your Excel, and it opens in the browser. You get an interactive, shareable app that calculates directly from your spreadsheet. Let's say you're an infrastructure investor. With one prompt, you can now visualize your deal under different scenarios and assumptions in an interactive console. Or imagine you're a consultant. You can build a dynamic dashboard that shows your clients their HR data in a way they've never seen before. There are countless possibilities. Your job is to create a clear story from complex data. Spreadsheet apps are a brand new way to do that. We can't wait to see what you build. Try them today at tracelight.ai.